Hi everyone, family friends, welcome back to Becky TV. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make lentil akara. So stay tuned guys and watch to the end. If you're new to my channel, you are absolutely welcome. Thank you, God bless you. Please don't forget to press that subscribe button so that you can be part of the family. So let's get started. This recipe you need lentil, onion, red pepper, chili pepper, nut cube, crayfish, and salt. So guys, our lentil akara is ready. So I'll be serving this akara with ogeko. Don't forget to watch my video on how I make ogeko pap. You understand? Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like. If you love what you're seeing, like my video, please. Share my video. Subscribe and subscribe. Whoever you share my video to, guys, please tell them to subscribe. They gonna help me now. I'll be my girl. Okay, see you in my next one. Bye.